Powered by Scala.
With over 600 internet desks spread throughout the UK's busiest airports, Spectrum Interactive saw an opportunity to capitalise on the advertising potential of these prime locations. The Beaver Group worked in partnership with Spectrum to provide a digital signage solution which would attract users to the desks, support the airport operators and generate additional income.
Spectrum Interactive are a internet services business. We service 25 of the UK's busiest airports and about 600 hotels with both internet terminals and Wi-Fi products. Spectrum are now the market leaders in internet terminals, particularly in airports. So we felt that looking at media screens and developing digital signage was the next logical step for the business.
Media screens is an opportunity for us to provide a variety of services, both for our own benefit as well as for the site owner. A third of the time is to attract people to use our internet desks, a third is sold as advertising, and a third we work with the site owner to provide key messages that they want to promote. When we first launched the product, the plan was to run it in-house. We felt we had the right skill set. We felt that something with PowerPoint, running videos and presentations using DVD or media cards would work. However, that's fine with just one site, but when you start talking about 25 airports, 700 hotels, it's just not going to work. So we needed to find a proper operator with the right experience in this marketplace. We fairly quickly found that Beaver Group were the right people for our market needs.
We were asked to provide Spectrum Interactive with a digital signage software solution, and it was really important that solution was centrally managed and had content that looked good and worked on screen.
It was very important to Spectrum to be able to change the content remotely and in real time, and it's equally important to be able to include feeds from the internet seamlessly and reliably so that the content appearing is as fresh and as real time as possible. Scala InfoChannel has proven to be extremely resilient and stable and offers Spectrum a huge range of flexibility that we're now able to offer to our site owners.
We believe this project is great, not just for us, but also for our site owners. It brings new revenues, new advertising revenues, it brings new users to use our screens, and also it adds an additional benefit in that the airport can get some key messages, some directional messages to the travelling public.
It's very important to us as a source of revenue because not only for Spectrum but it's also an income to BAA, but it's also an added passenger service that we can give.
The Foreign Commonwealth Office are already using the screens, which is a fantastic partnership for us as it's to do with travelling without insurance.
I think the FCO have really recognised a great opportunity here to communicate their messaging to the wider public just before they go and travel. And it's important messaging, and that messaging can be updated very quickly.
Spectrum Interactive knew exactly what they wanted regarding digital signage. We listened very closely, and between us I think we got it just right.
Spectrum Interactive is extremely happy with the Desk Media Screen project and the partners Beaver Group and Scala InfoChannel. The media screens have been exceptionally well received and we've got our first major advertiser already. We're looking forward to the future.